let's talk about HBAR. A lot to get to because we have a token unlock coming, which could produce a little bit of downward pressure here in the short term, but it could also produce a massive opportunity, perhaps a buying opportunity for people looking at HBAR closely. We're also going to talk about this recent partnership with FedNow, what this means, and what's been happening on the Hedera Hashgraph network lately, because there are a lot of things to be bullish about when it comes to HBAR. We're also going to take a look at the price action. So, ton of things happening in this HBAR video. All I ask, guys, smash that like button down below. I'm going to get us all set up and ready to go on the HBAR chart too, because things are looking juicy over there. But after you smash that like button and subscribe down below, you know what it's time to do. It's time to hop in here and get down to the nitty gritty. We have to start with this token unlock, all right? So Hedera's setting out for a 1.15 billion token unlock. So according to data from the Token Unlocks web app, it's coming out here September 1st, the unlock. And these 1.15 billion tokens are worth approximately 57.5 million as of writing. Now, don't freak out. It doesn't mean everyone is going to sell and $57.5 million worth of tokens are going to be sold. In doing so, people are going to be buying the dip if there is a little dip. HBAR is currently trading at about 5 cents right now, a little bit above it, as we can see here. Right now, about 5.5 cents, close to that number. We'll go ahead and go into the 1 day so you can see what's been happening here. And HBAR has been on a nice little uptrend. We zoom out a little bit, or zoom in rather. This is the 1 day outlook right now. So we have been on the up and up since less than, right around 4 cents or so. We have been on a nice little uptrend, dialing back a little bit right now, and we could be getting ready for a big opportunity. Just yesterday, we got momentum down indicator, and we could have a little bit more of a sell-off with this token unlock coming in a few days. However, after that is when we could get that next signal, that momentum up signal. That is when I'm looking to make a play. But data indicates that roughly 24% of the tokens will be allocated for ecosystem and open source development, so that's good. 22% for purchase agreements, 15% on network governance, and about 7% for initial development costs and licensing. Despite initial challenges towards the end of Q1 2023, due to an exploit in the Hedera mainnet, HBAR has seen a huge surge because recent integration of Hedera's instant payment platform drop into U.S. Federal Reserve's FedNow program has been announced, and this is huge. FedNow introduced drop as an alternative to credit card payments, and this is running on the Hedera network. So this is offering merchants the ability to accept small value digital purchases without the burden of huge transaction fees. Drop supports micropayments using HBAR as well as the US dollar and Circle's USDC, providing a pay-by-pay bank option for these transactions. This is big because there aren't too many networks out there that are really good at handling all these microtransactions. HBAR is one of them. Stellar is another one. Now, Hedera itself is basically a little bit different with that Hashgraph consensus, making it fully decentralized, open source, proof of stake, EVM compatible public ledger, and having a leaderless consensus algorithm. This confers the network with the highest level of security and performance theoretically possible. This is why FedNow went with HBAR. Now, recently, it has also integrated ChatGPT for a more streamlined asset management and monitoring system. And get this, we have seen a user base jump by almost 300% in Q2 of 2023 year to date, signaling that things are heating up on the Hedera Hashgraph network. People are coming in. We went from 3,500 to 13,500 year to date. Now, the current metrics for the HBAR token were in a cautious optimism because, of course, we have just the bear market playing out. The potentialities, though, in its integration of AI and the blockchain remain areas of speculation and enthusiasm. But this FedNow partnership, to me, has really, really got me excited about the future of HBAR, legitimizing it in a ton of different ways, obviously, now. And it's already a top, 35 crypto. Investors and users should keep an eye on Hedera's future plans after the unlock as well. Now, again, we shouldn't see a ton of downward pressure with this token unlock. Again, a lot of these tokens are allocated for various operations here, okay? And we could see a little bit of a mini sell-off, especially if it's coupled with a market-wide sell-off. That's what's going on with HBAR, guys. A ton of things happening with the token unlock, with the Fed Now, with the ChatGPT integration. A lot of things to be excited about, and overall network activity boosting up. So this is going to be one to watch. Year to date, HBAR still up 47.5%. I think there's going to be a lot of chances to make some positive trades here. And obviously, long-term, absolutely love HBAR from a long-term investment standpoint. So we'll be keeping tabs on this, especially after the token unlock, to maybe make a play. We'll be keeping tabs, and appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.